Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Edmond Mendaros, and for today's quick tutorial and I'm going to show you guys on how to resolve if the dependency servers or group failed to start error on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer with the error code 1068. The dependency service or group failed to start. Kung paano ba natin ito i-fix, and without further ado, and let's go ahead. So the first solutions we will do is to selecting the normal startup configurations. Kung paano ba yan natin gawin, all you have to do is to press the Windows key plus letter R on your keyboard. Pagsabayin mo lang yan. And once na-open mo na tong run, so dito lang sa box ay kailangan lang i-enter dito yung command keyword na msconfig. So just type this command keyword msconfig, that is one word, and itap mo lang dito yung OK. And once na-open mo na tong system configurations, so dito lang sa general tab and under dito sa startup selections ay kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung normal startup, load all device drivers and services. So i-check mo lang tong circle na yan. And then dito sa baba ay click mo lang dito yung apply and i-click mo lang dito yung OK. Alright, and the next solution na pwede natin gawin is to open up on a search menu. And dito sa search for apps, so kailangan mo lang i-type dito yung CMD or ito yung tinatawag na command prompt, and then kailangan mo lang mag-right click and select mo lang dito yung run as administrator. If you receive user account control, and itap mo lang dito yung yes. And once na-open mo na itong administrator command prompt, ang next step ay kailangan lang i-enter dito yung command keyword na ipconfig space /+ DNS. So just type this command keyword ipconfig space /+ DNS, that is one word, and press mo lang yung enter. And successfully flush the DNS resolver cache. And the next keyword na kailangan natin i-enter ay type mo lang dito yung NATSH space wensec space reset. So just type this command keyword NATSH space wensec space reset and press mo lang yung enter. And successfully reset the wensec catalog, and you must restart the computer in order to complete the reset. So close lang natin tong CMD. At dito lang si start menu and kailangan mo lang mag-restart, click mo lang yan. Alright, and hope na na-resolve yung error. But if the problem still persists, so ang next solution na pwede natin gawin is to change service settings. Kung paano ba yan natin gawin, all you have to do is to press the Windows key plus letter R on your keyboard. Pagsabayin mo lang yan. And once na-open mo na tong run, so dito lang sa box ay kailangan mo lang i-type dito yung command keyword na services.msc. So just type this command keyword services.msc, that is one word, and tap mo lang dito yung OK. And once na-open mo na itong services, at dito lang sa services local, dito lang sa right side, ay kailangan mo lang i-locate dito yung Windows Defender Firewall. So kailangan mo lang mag-scroll down. And then, ilocate natin dito yung Defender Firewall. Ayan. So, once na-locate mo na dito yung Windows Defender Firewall, so, ang gagawin natin dito is select and double-click. And dito lang sa General Properties, dito lang sa Startup Type. So, select mo lang dito yung Automatic. And dito sa baba, click Apply. And i-click mo lang dito yung Okay. Alright. So, after dito sa services, and then close lang natin yan. And dito lang ulit sa start menu, and kailangan mo lang mag-restart. Click mo lang yan. Alright. So, ganun lang po kasimple on how to fix the dependency service or group failed to start error in Windows. And please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys, and see you in my next tutorial.